Hey folks, it's Paul at Rapids Wholesale. Are you in the market for a new panini or sandwich grill? Check out these from Star.
Today we're going to talk about the Star Manufacturing Pro Max heavy duty two-sided grills or panini presses with the 4 million life cycle hinge system. They come in both aluminum and cast iron. The unit on the left is aluminum and the unit on the right is cast iron. The unit on the left is a standard unit, control knob, enlarged stainless steel grease trough, and the unit on the right has electronic timers. Pro Max is used for high demand. This hinge system is a compression spring hinge system. All the other manufacturers traditionally use a torsion spring hinge system, which would be the same as a garage door that goes up and down on a house. Plastic coated, water resistant conduit. And one of the other things that Star does is they actually cap off the top and the bottom that no other manufacturers do, where the conduit goes in there. The other thing you're going to notice that you could raise the unit, come up, you have adjustments on the back here for the height. These units are available in smooth and grooved. This unit here is grooved. The Hinge Mechanism, it's been tested for over 4 million cycles. As you can see, the unit comes straight down 3 inches vertical on the product and comes straight down on the product, giving even contact front to back and not smashing the product forward, making a mess on the griddle surface itself. Easier cleanup, faster production. Also look at the much larger grease or food trough for food particles that come out onto the griddle surface. Much larger than the competition has. The Pro Max Panini is manufactured in Smithville, Tennessee. This is a U.S. made product. The thermostats also range from 175 degrees Fahrenheit up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit on this unit. Optional programmable timers and food menu items are also available. You can also get guards on the tops and the sides, burn guards put on the unit. Some of the options, menu options that can be used on these paninis for breakfast are breakfast burritos, breakfast sandwiches, pancakes, bacon, eggs, sausage, fried potatoes, specialty omelets. Lunch dinner menus include panini sandwiches, Reuben sandwiches, quesadillas, burritos and wraps, hamburgers, kitchen sandwiches, Cuban sandwiches, grilled vegetables, salmon, tuna. Let your imagination run wild with the Star Pro Max Panini Grills.
And should you have any questions about this gear, feel free to give us a buzz here at the shop, or you can jump on our online chat. We're here to help.